Hello guys, I'm Rocky and I'm again back with the questions of 2016 IDJ Mains Chemistry paper. In this video, I will be explaining you question number 9 of this question paper. So let's see what is the question. Question says 18 gram of glucose C6H12O6 is added to 178.2 gram of water. The vapor pressure of water in torr for this aqueous solution is 76, 752.4 torr, 759 torr, 7.6 torr. So let's begin with the solution. See, first of all, we'll calculate the number of moles of glucose. That means number of moles of solute and number of moles of solvent, which is water. Okay? So number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute, and solute is what over here? It is glucose. Okay? So given weight of glucose is 18 grams, and what is the molecular weight of glucose? It is 180 gram per mole. 180 gram per mole. Molecular weight of glucose is equals to 180 gram per mole. ठीक है, ये molecular weight of glucose होता है. And as you all know that number of moles of solute या number of moles of any component is equals to given weight divided by the molecular weight of that particular component. ठीक है, so I did the same over here. So number of moles of solute, that means I should write NB for number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute को मैंने NB से represent किया है. So NB is equals to 0.1 mole. ठीक है. Now coming to the calculation for number of moles of solvent. Okay, so number of moles of solvent, that means water. ठीक है, and I am representing it as Na. Okay, Na से मैं इसे represent कर रही हूँ. It becomes given weight which is 178.2 gram divided by 18 gram per mole, because molecular weight of water is 18 gram per mole. So molecular weight of H2O is equals to 18 gram per mole. ये तो सभी को पता होगा. ठीक है, अब देखिए इसकी जब कैलकुलेशन की तो आंसर आया 9.9 मोल. That means number of moles of solvent Na is equals to 9.9 moles. यहाँ तक बात क्लियर हो गई आप सभी को. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू रॉल्स लॉ यू ऑल नो दैट रॉल्स लॉ ने एक एक्सप्रेशन बताया था अबाउट रिलेटिव लोअरिंग ऑफ वेपर प्रेशर. उसी एक्सप्रेशन को यहाँ हम अप्लाई करते हैं. P नॉट माइनस PS डिवाइडेड बाय P नॉट इज इक्वल्स टू मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट. तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट इज XB. मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट XB को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? It is number of moles of solute B divided by my total number of moles of solute plus solvent in the mixture, which is Na plus NB. As you all know, this is a dilute solution over here. So we can say that NB को हम neglect कर सकते हैं in comparison to Na. We can neglect NB in comparison to Na if the solution is dilute or the solution is aqueous. ठीक है, so it becomes therefore NB upon Na. And we have calculated out the number of moles of NB and as well as number of moles of Na. ठीक है, so what is the number of moles of NB? That means number of moles of solute, it is 0.1. And number of moles of Na, that means solvent water, it is 9.9. ठीक है, over here what is P naught? P naught is vapor pressure of a component in pure state and vapor pressure of a component in solution is PS. So 760 is pure, is a vapor pressure of a pure state, 760 mmHg, or we should say 760 torr. One or other the same thing. So 760 minus PS divided by 760. Is it clear to you, all of you? Now simple mathematics. 760 minus PS is equals to 0.1 into 760 divided by 9.9. जब हम 760 को 9.9 से डिवाइड करेंगे हमको आंसर मिलेगा, ये तो 0.1 एज इट इज रहा. 760 डिवाइड बाय 9.9 क्या आंसर आएगा? इट वुड बी 76.7. अब 0.1 को मल्टीप्लाई किया हमने 76.7 से, तो अब आंसर आया 7.67. ठीक है, ये आंसर हमको हमारे पास में आया. हमें अब क्या निकालना है, PS निकालना है. सो इक्वेशन में हमारे पास क्या आई हुई है, 760 माइनस PS इज इक्वल्स टू 7.67. सो आई कैन राइट इट एज PS, दैट मीन्स वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द एक्वस सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल्स टू 760 माइनस 7.67, which is approximately 752.4, and I should write it over here torr. ठीक है. So PS of the solution, that means vapor pressure of the solution PS is equals to 752.4 torr. ठीक है. Please note it down. So according to this answer, the option number second is the correct option, 752.4 torr. That means vapor pressure of the aqueous solution. And I hope it is clear to you very much well. But still किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो, देन प्लीज अपनी डाउट्स मुझे बताइए. आई विल बी सॉल्विंग योर ऑल द डाउट्स, एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव द फीडबैक्स रिगार्डिंग दिस वीडियो. इट इज मीरा की saying you all now goodbye.